Am I audible to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many of you attended the grooming, aptitude grooming? How many of you attended aptitude grooming earlier? Yes? Yeah, you can unmute and tell. This is not a regular platform. If we are doing it on a Google Meet because I want answer from you guys. Okay? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others? Shubham, Chaitanya, Srinath,
Yes, sir.
Namdev, Pramod, Pramod, Namdev. Am I audible to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So whatever the questions you will be having, just tell me how many of you attended the apti grooming? Any apti grooming? Attended. Have you gone through the JD? Now A2L, sorry, C2L, they are asking for high on aptitude. Okay, high on aptitude. So they will check your aptitude skills. Definitely, the test will be there, and they are looking for the very good students who are in apti. Okay, very good students from the apti. So understand this: aptitude will play a major role in getting placed you guys. Okay, here in this particular requirement. Now there will be quantitative aptitude as well as reasoning. Okay, you might expect some questions from blood relation. Okay, direction sense, then sitting arrangement, puzzle, clocks, and calendar. Then missing number series. Okay, there will be some questions on screen is visible to you guys, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There will be you can expect some questions on non-verbal also, or non-verbal reasoning. Okay. So just tell me you guys are comfortable in these topics. Blood relation you know, direction sense you know, sitting arrangement you know, puzzle you know, clocks and calendars if you know. Everybody is comfortable in this topic. Pakka, sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, most of you must have attended any of the grooming, right?
Yeah.
I can see some names like Srinath is there, Maya is there, even Namdev, Shubham. You guys have also attended, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay. So if you want, I can revise any of the topic. In the quantitative aptitude, you will be having questions on ratio, proportion, okay? Then mixture, allegation. You might expect, but the most probability will be the time and work. Okay, the definitely one question will be there from the time and work. Then time and distance is also there. Like trains problems, they might ask you. They might ask you boat and stream. Understanding? Okay. They might ask you ages problem. They might ask you average problem. They might ask you, and repetition will be there. Some repetitions will be there. Maybe there are some chances of DI, that is data interpretation. Okay. You can expect some questions from the data interpretation also. Because if they are asking high on aptitude, maybe they will introduce some part will be data interpretation. That is the graphs and bar and pie chart and everything. Okay. So if you want, just tell me any of the topic. I'll tell you where you will get some question. Have you practiced for reasoning or any other thing? Quantitative aptitude. There will be no questions from the verbal. Yeah, most probably there will be no questions from the verbal. You will get a lot of questions here, guys. Compound interest, percentage question will be there. Compound interest, partnership questions will be there. Okay. So you'll get lot of questions. Every question, every type of question is there. Pipe and system is also there. Okay. Just let me know if you want any topic. Shall I cover? Then I can take it. If you find any difficulty, I'll take it. Yeah. Guys, speak. That is what we want. Why we are doing the grooming for you guys. Okay. If you have any problem, just tell me so that I can take that topic, particular topic. Because taking every topic is not possible. Understanding everyone. And test will be scheduled tomorrow only.
Sir, boats and streams, maybe, and then that simple interest topic, if you can revise.
Okay, okay, no problem. Boat and stream and simple interest, compound interest, and I'll take the DI also because most of you now have not attended that DI session. DI, you know, data interpretation.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
okay,
sir.
we'll take that also. No problem. Okay, so boat and stream. Understand this. In boat and stream, guys, boat and stream. Okay, so in boat and streams, we define something that is x. X is the speed of boat in stream, the speed of boat in still water. Okay, and y is nothing but the speed of boat in, sorry, not speed of boat. It is the speed of stream. Okay, so tell me what is the speed of the boat in downstream? Speed of the boat in downstream. Now consider one boat is there. That boat itself is moving with the speed of x. The speed of the boat is x. If there is a river which is flowing at the rate of y, if I place this boat here, the boat is traveling with the speed of x, and water is also flowing with the speed of y. Then what will be the downstream speed? Downstream speed means this along with speed, along with the stream. What will be the speed of boat? Can you guys tell me? That
X
count
plus
is
Y.
exactly this water will push that boat or help the boat to move, right? So it will be x plus y. Understanding everyone? What will be the speed in upstream? What will be the speed in upstream, guys?
X minus
Upstream
Y. X
means
minus Y.
against. Very good. Against the stream. So if it is moving in the against the stream, then it will oppose the motion. Okay, and that's why it will be x minus y. Understanding? Is it easy?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now understand what we will do. Okay. There are some simple formula that is speed is equals to distance upon time. So you have to remember this. Okay. And there are concepts of relative speed and the concept of conversion. If you know this very well, and if you rotate this formula very well, you can solve any of the question in boat and stream. Okay, I'll tell you what is the conversion in this is common for train also. Okay, now understand what is conversion speed. What is the unit of speed, guys? Kilometer per hour. Okay, so if the time is given in a second and the speed is given in a kilometer per hour, what will happen? You can't directly use this, right? You can't directly use it. So you have to convert the speed to the meter per second. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So how will you convert? How will
Multiply
you
by
Multiply
5
convert
by
into 5 by
5 by
18?
18.
Okay. And you must have know this table. We have taken it in like lot of groomings. We have already seen this kilometer per hour to conversion meter per second. Right? What is that? 18 kilometer per hour is nothing but 5 meter per second. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 36 kilometer per hour is equals to 10 meter per second. 54 kilometer per hour means 54 meter per second. 72 kilometer per hour means not 54 meter. What I'm writing 50. And this will be 20 meter per second and so on, right? This is the 18 table and this is the table of 5. Understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
Can you guys tell me what is 9 kilometer per hour means? Half of 18. So here it will be
2.5
half of.
meter per
Very good. 2.5. Understanding everyone? 2.5 meter per second. What is 27 kilometer per hour then?
second.
7.5 meter per second. 45 kilometer per hour means
7.5.
12.5 meter per second. And 63 kilometer per hour means
17.5.
17.5. Understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
That if you know the convergence now, that will reduce your time. No need to find it like every time. Okay. Now what they will give you, there are lot of tricks. There are lot of tricks so that you can find the answer. There is a traditional way also. You can use the formula and you can do the calculation and everything. Now understand what is there in the, if we know x and y, if we know x and y, what is x? The speed of the boat in still water. What is y? Speed of the stream. If the speed of the boat in still water is 10 kilometer per hour and speed of the stream is 5 kilometer per hour, what is my downstream speed and what is my upstream speed? Faster tell me.
downstream is 15 and upstream will be 5.
Exactly. Everybody's getting this. X plus y downstream, x minus y upstream. Anybody is having trouble yet? Till this point, is there any difficulty? No. X is equals to 12. Okay. Y is equals to 6 kilometer per hour. Now tell me, in 1 hour, how much it will travel in downstream, or in 3 hours, how much it will travel in downstream? Faster. Yeah, Maya, Shahrukh.
54.
Yeah, it is simple.
50 source.
Why you guys are taking this much of time? It is simple. Downstream speed will be 18 km per hour. Okay, and what is the distance? Distance is nothing but speed into time. Okay, so this flexibility should be there. Okay, understanding? You are wasting your time. This was the simple question. You don't even need to take a pen to calculate this. Understanding? How much distance it will travel in 2.5 hours in upstream?
45.
What about others? 45. Upstream. Upstream, I told you. Upstream, what is the speed in the upstream? 6 km per hour, yes or no? 12 minus 6, x minus y, upstream speed, guys. What you guys are doing? Why you are not replying?
15, sir.
15, 15.
It is simple. 6 into 2.5, you will get 15 kilometers. What are you guys doing? It's simple, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what? Why you are guys are doing mistakes? Don't do that, okay? If x is 20 km per hour, y is 16 km per hour. What is the downstream speed? What is the downstream speed? And
36.
what is the distance? What is the distance covered by a boat in downstream in 10 seconds? Tell me the answer.
Downstream 36, sir, and distance will be 100.
Very good. Downstream will be 36 kilometer per hour. So we have to convert it in meter per second. What is the meter per second? 10 meter per second. Understanding? Okay. So we have given the speed in meter per second. We have given the time. Then what is the distance? Distance is equals to speed into time. Speed is 100 into time is uh, 10, so you will get 100 meters. Okay, so how much it will travel? It will travel 100 meters. Understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is important? What is important? Uh, like I have seen some questions on boat and stream. It is not that much popular, but some of the questions they ask now, it was very basic question. They give you like x and y, and they will ask you the downstream speed and the upstream speed. That's it. Okay, they won't ask you the difficult question, whatever the I have seen. Okay, but I'll give you some like other approach also, so that if the hard question will come, you should easily solve it. Okay, now what was the if they give you x is to y, Okay. Now understand x is to y. Like the speed of the boat in still water is 3 times the speed of the stream. Okay. Okay. If the speed of the stream is 5, what is the downstream speed? Tell me. Tell me. If the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour, what is the downstream speed? What is required to calculate the downstream speed? Fast, fast, fast. Reply fast.
Speed of boat and speed of stream.
Exactly. Speed of the stream is given, and there is a relation between speed of the boat and speed of the stream is given, right? So one ratio is equivalent to 5, then three ratios are equivalent to how much? Reply fast. Everybody unmute yourself, guys. Unmute. Maya, you there? Chaitanya, you there? Namdev?
15, sir.
Yeah, faster, tell me. It will be 15, yes or no? So
Yes,
downstream
sir.
speed will be what? 15 plus 5, that is nothing but 20 km per hour. Understanding? What will be the upstream speed?
10.
15 minus 5, which is
10.
equals to 10
10.
10.
kilometer per hour. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now, one more thing, understand, guys. If they ask you, if they give you the ratio of x is to y, that is 4 is to 3. And if they ask you what is the ratio of downstream to the upstream, the ratio of downstream to the upstream, what will be your answer should be, guys? Have you heard about something called as componendo dividendo? Componendo dividendo. Have you heard about this? Everybody tell me faster.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Apply componendo dividendo on xy. What you will get? X plus y upon x minus
X
y.
minus.
And this is nothing but your d to u ratio. So I'll tell you what will be the downstream to the upstream ratio in this case. It will be 4 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 3, that is 7 is to 1. Understanding? Okay. So they might give you one of the value, like they give you u is equals to 3. U is equals to 3. Okay, the upper sorry, upstream speed is 3. Okay. Now guys tell me what will be the downstream speed?
15.
How it is? It is 7, right? One ratio is
21.
equivalent to 3. It will be 23.
21.
Understanding everyone? The ratio concept you are getting it. Now, if they give you like this, ups, x is to y they give you, and you can easily find d is to u. Yes or no? I'll give you one more problem. 3, 3 is to 1. Faster.
4.
Apply the component to dividend. Oh, just now you have applied, right?
Yeah, 4/2.
4 by
4
2.
by 2 is 2 is to 1. Yes or
Mhm.
no?
Yes.
So this is nothing but your x is to y. Sorry, d is to u. Okay. So whatever the question they might give you, whatever the question might they give you, they can give you any of this value. Okay, any of this value, that is x, y. downstream speed or upstream speed, or the information they will give you that will give you the value of downstream or the upstream or the x or the y. उसके ऊपर ही पूरा क्वेश्चन बनेगा. Nothing will be outside from this question. Understanding everyone? So maybe they can give you x or y ka ratio. You can easily find d and u ka ratio. How? Just apply the componendo dividendo. If they give you downstream to the upstream ka ratio, you can easily find out something called as x is to y from what? Just applying down dividendo and componendo. Dividendo and componendo. Understanding everyone? So if the downstream to the upstream is 5 is to 2, what is their x is to y? What is x is to y? Faster. Just apply the component to dividendo, guys. What is difficult in this? Can't you do this simple calculations?
7/3.
7/3.
So why you guys are taking so much of time? Understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay? They will ask you the questions like this only. One of the value they will give you and they will ask you the rest question. Okay? We'll see some problems, then you will get it. Boat and strings. Yeah. Solve this question. Wait. Yeah, solve this one faster. I want answer from everyone. How many people are there? Yeah. Those who have joined late. Why you guys joined late? Yeah, fast me. Fast tell me answer. Chinmay, Chaitanya, Komal, Maya, Namdev, Aditya. Arey, this is straightforward question, guys.
4.
So why you guys are taking so much of time to solve this question? Isn't that easy question, Maya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what about others?
Sir, 4, sir.
So why you guys are taking so much of time to solve this question?
Or sir, distance upon time.
Yeah, exactly. Understand this. Okay, now they are asking about the downstream, right? Downstream speed is what? 13 plus 4, which is equals to 17 kilometer per hour. We know that speed is equals to distance upon time. So what is distance? Sorry, what is the time is equals to? Time is equals to distance upon speed. Simple it is. One formula you have to rotate. That's it. The distance they have given you 68 divided by 7, which is equals to 4 hours. Understanding? Understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just tell me. This is the answer. Tell me answer. A man's speed with the current is 15 kilometer per hour. If the speed of the current is 2.5, what is the upstream speed? क्या आदित्य?
12.5, 12.5, sir.
12.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody is saying 12.5. Is there anyone who is saying yeah other than this? Why 12.5? गलत कर रहे हो
Ready
आप.
ask against
U minus 5.
So it is
against
x
the
plus
current.
y is 15. They have given the speed of the current with the speed of the man's speed with the current is 15 kilometer hour. Okay, so it is with the speed. So along with current it is given. Okay, it is 15 and they give you y is equals to 2.5. So what is my x? X is equals to 12.5. Yes or no? And we want to find out against the speed. So 12.5 minus 2.5 which is equals to 10. Understanding? Yeah, go for this question. Boat running upstream takes 8 hours and 48 minutes to cover a certain distance, while it takes 4 hours to cover the same distance in downstream. Now understand. Now understand. I'll give you how distance, how speed and time are related. If the distance is constant, they are inversely proportional. Yes or no? At least reply for this.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so here they have given you the ratio of the speed. Yes or no? If the boat is running in the upstream, it takes this much of time. If it running in the downstream, it will take this much of time. So time in downstream is nothing but 4 hours. Now understand the question and how I am solving it. And time in upstream is 8 hours 48 minutes. Okay. So first of all, what I'll do is 48 minutes, I don't like it, so I'll convert it into hours only. So how I'll do it? Just dividing it by 60. So what I'll get, this is 4, this is 5, 5 8, 40, 40 plus 4 is 44 divided by 5 hours. Yes or no? Right? Now tell me, what is the time of the downstream to the time of the upstream? 4 divided by 44 by 5. Yes or no? This 5 will go up and this 4 11. So it will be 5 by 11. Yes or no? The
Yes, sir.
time in downstream to the time in upstream. Ratio you are getting, everybody. So if the time ratio is this downstream to the upstream, so what is the speed ratio of downstream to the upstream? Ulta होगा. It will be 11 by 5. Yes or no? Because time is inversely proportional to speed. If the distance is constant. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now what they have asked you, what is the ratio between the speed of the boat and the speed of the current respectively? They have given you D and U. D and U. Can you guys find out X and Y? Solve it and tell me the answer. I just told you. डी यू रेशो से एक्स एंड वाई का रेशो कैसे निकालना है. यार ये तो बता दो. Are you guys going to respond? Just now we saw something.
8 by 3 by component dividendo.
Exactly. Why you guys are taking so much of time? That I'm not getting. 11 plus 5, 11 minus 5. It is simple. 16 divided by 6. 8 by 3, that's it. The option is there. 8 is to 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is simple maths. Have I used any complicated formula till now? Is it everybody getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I know it's 3 o'clock and you guys are feeling sleepy. Yeah, tell me the answer for this question. Fifth one. Faster. In 1 hour, boat goes 11 kilometer along the stream and 5 kilometer against the stream. Now understand how to solve this question. If they given you the downstream and upstream speeds, and now they have given you a downstream and upstream speeds, not the downstream and upstream ratio. That is different. Ratio is different and the actual speed value is different. Okay, so here what they have given in the information, what is the information? The boat goes 11 kilometers along the stream. It means the downstream speed of the boat is 11 kilometer per hour. What is the upstream speed? 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so what is the speed of boat in still water and this? Okay, no problem. We will find it out. How? This is x plus y and this is x minus y. If I wanted to find out x, how I will find it out? We wanted to find out here y. So how I will find it out? Just take the difference of these two. What I'll get, this x gets cancelled. Here I'll get 2y. Difference of these two is 6. So you will get 2y is equals to 6, y is equals to 3. Understanding everyone? If you wanted to find out x from downstream and upstream, you will use this formula. Downstream plus upstream divided by 2, which is nothing but the x. Okay, and if you wanted to find out y, that is the speed of the stream, you can just substitute plus divided for plus by minus. Getting this?
Answer is 8, sir. 8 kilometer per hour.
Yeah, why 8? The boat, okay, boat in still water they have asked you. Okay. So it is 11 plus 5 divided by 2. You will get the 8 is the right answer. Very good. Understanding? Yeah, solve this one. Sixth one. The boat is running downstream a distance of 16 kilometers in 2 hours. While covering the same distance upstream, it takes 4 hours. What is the speed of the boat in still water? This is simple, guys.
8
What is the
kilometer per hour.
downstream speed? Yeah. What is downstream speed? पहले बताओ. It takes 16 kilometer for to travel the 16 kilometer in 2 hours. So it is 16 divided by 2. It is nothing but 8 kilometer per hour. Yes or no? Right? Upstream speed कितना होता है? 16 here distance. It will cover it in a 4 hours. So its speed will be 4 kilometer per hour. So downstream is 8, upstream is 4. What they have asked you? Boat in still water. What is x? X is d plus u divided by 2, which is equals to 8 plus 4 divided by 2. Your answer will be 6. Getting it? Getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understanding? You can have some practice on this topic, okay? There are some questions on indiabix.com. You can have the practice. Don't just stick to the basics, guys. If you know the basics very well now, you can easily solve this question. Okay? Getting? Now, what I'm going to present you guys, this is nothing but the DI, that is data interpretation. You should know this because if the difficulty level is higher, these are the questions you won't get it on a Google also. Data interpretation, that is called as DI. Okay, in DI, what they will give you? They will give you some graphs. Okay, I'll give you some graphs like 2000, 2001, 2002, and 2003. So these are the 3 years. These are the 3 years, 4 years actually, having different, okay, having different sales in CR. This is 10, this is 15, this is 12, this is 20. Now tell me, guys, now tell me. Understanding? You understand the graph? Everybody, reply fast. I want answer from everyone. I'm not talking to the wall. At least have the common sense to answer, guys. How many people are there?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Understanding till now?
Yes.
Only one person is responding. What about others? Tushar, you there? Saurabh, you there?
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Reply then. Shubham Singh,
Yes, sir.
Shahrukh.
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो रिप्लाई कौन देगा? अभी बाकी सब लोगों को अपना अपना नाम जब आएगा तब हाँ करोगे क्या? Pooja, you there? Pramod, you there?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Namdev? Okay, now understand. These are the sales of a different same company over the different years. So it is in a 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. Now tell me in which year the company has the maximum share? Faster. In which year the company has the maximum sale?
2003.
2003.
Okay. In which year the company has the minimum share? Sale.
2000.
2001.
2000, right? Now the question, now this they are not going to ask you. Now understand. What is the question they will ask you? What is the what is the percentage increase or increase or the language of the question will be this. Okay, I'll give you the exact question. Okay. Uh, Sales in 2001 is what percent more or less than sales in 2000? Sales in 2001 is what percent more or less than sales in 2000? Faster. How much?
Correct.
Yeah, tell me faster. What is the problem you guys are facing? Come on, ask the question, then only you will get it now. Do you understand the question? Sales in 2001 is what percentage more or less than sales in 2000? Do you understand the question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the answer then.
More than.
What percent पूछा है? What percent? If you don't understand the question, tell me straightforward. There is no problem. If you don't understand, no problem. I'll teach you. I'm there for you. Okay, that is the thing. That's why I hired here. Understanding? If you have the problem, ask. This is the basic rule of learning. Still no reply.
Sir, 50%.
50%. It is simple, guys. Sales in 2001 is what? 15
15.
CR. Okay. Sales in 2000 is what?
10.
10 CR. So there is an increase of 5, right? There is an increase of 5 compared to what? Compared to what? आप किसके साथ compare करोगे? The sales in
2000.
2000. Understanding? Okay.
Yes.
Then के बाद कौन है? Every time remember this. Who is after the than? Okay, who is after the than? 2000. What is the sale in the 2010? So
10.
we got the increase of 5 over 10. Over 10. And that's why the percentage will be 5 by 10 into 100. I'll get 50%. Understanding, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you guys tell me what is the sales of 2002 compared to 2001? The sales in 2002 is what percent more or less than sales in 2001?
25.
Is it
Right.
25? Here, what is the sales in 2002?
12.
12. What is the sales in 2001?
15.
15. So there is a decrease, right?
Decreases.
Decrease of what? 3.
Yes.
What is after
75.
than?
75.
Not 75. What is after than? 15.
2000.
So I have to divide here by 15 into 100. 3 ones are, 3 fives are, 5 ones are, 5 twenties are. So your answer will be 20% less. Understanding? Understanding everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me what is the sales in 2003? Sales in 2003 is what percent more or less than sales in 2002. Faster now, faster guys.
66.66%.
Very good, Shahrukh. So here the sale is 2003 it is 20 and in 2002 it is 12. So there is an increase of 8 CR. So 8 CR increase on what? On what? After then, who is there? 12. So 8 divided by then 12 into 100. 8 twos are, sorry, 4 twos are, 4 threes are. It is 200 divided by 3. It is nothing but 66.66%. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now this is the information, the whatever I have given you, this is called as the bar graph. Okay, they might give you some information in line graph. Okay, तो क्या आपको दिक्कत आएगा उसमें? They will give you such kind of information in the line graph, different years and the companies they will give you, company B, C, D, and the years they will give you. Is there any difficulty, guys? I'll show you how they will give you. Okay, this is 2000, this is 2001, this is 2002. Okay, we will take only 3 years because to understand. Five, 10, 15, 20. So these are the sales of a company, whatever will be there in the x axis are guys. ऐसे कुछ भी हो सकता है, ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं है कि सेल्स ही रहेगा हमेशा. Okay, now there is a company E who is performing like this. The blue color is nothing but the company A. Okay, red is the company B. And there is one more I'll give you. The company, third company, blue color. Clear, everyone? The
Yes, sir.
sale of company. This is the red one is A, blue one is B, and sorry, the sky blue one is B, and this dark blue is C. Understood, everyone? The sales of company B in 2002 is what percent more or less than sales of company A in 2000. Faster. Understood the question, everyone? First, what is the sales of the company B in 2002? Tell me faster.
50%.
Same.
15 CR. Okay. And A in 2000, how much it is? 10 CR. So there is a increase of what? 5 CR compared to what? 10. So 5 divided by 10 into 100, you will get 50% increase. Understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
50% more. Understanding? If they
Yes.
ask you more or less than, no, then only do the difference and everything. They might ask you some question like this. Okay, the understand this question. This is totally different from the previous question. The sales of uh, company B in 2001 is what percent of sales of company sales of a company, which company I'll give you the company C in 2000. Tell me. Now here what I have given you, the sales of a company B in 2001 is what percent of the total of the sales of a company C in 2000. You now understand guys. Here what they have given you, what is the sales of a company B in 2001? Reply fast. Sales of a company B in 2001.
50%.
Sorry?
50%. 50%.
Okay, okay. Just tell me the sales.
Okay.
10,
10 CR. B in 2001.
20.
This is B, na? Blue. The sky blue is B, right?
20.
Yes, sir. 20, 20.
20 CR. Now tell me what is the company C in 2000?
15.
Now what I told you, find out what is the percentage of. So 20 is what percent of 15? That you have to calculate. Understanding everyone? Here there is no bore and sin. Understanding the difference you are getting in 200, just do it. This will be 5 4s are 5 3s are. So it is 400 divided by 3, that is nothing but 133.33%.
Yeah.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay? They might ask you some pie chart. I'll just give you the quick view of the pie chart. That's it. You know everybody. What is pie chart? What is pie chart, guys? What is pie chart?
Divide the data by percentage.
So it is a circular circle. If you divide the data in a circle, then it is nothing but a pie chart. So this pie chart value can be given in percentages or in the degree. Percentages or in a degree. Understanding everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
For example, they give you A is 25%, E is 15%, B is 20%, D is 10%, and C is 30%. Okay. Is it fine? Is it right? Is it right? Whatever I have written, is it fine?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
How you will check it?
Yes, sir. Right.
Whether the total exactly, whether the
100,
total
100.
is
Total.
coming 100% or not.
Yes.
What I have given here, 15 degree
And
percentage. It should be percentage. Okay. Now tell me, Shahrukh, you can mute. There is a disturbance. Now understand, guys. Percentage we have given. So now tell me, what is the angle of A? What is the angle subtended by E?
90 degree.
How will you do it? Simply 25 out of 100 into total degrees, total circle degrees. It is 360.
360.
Understood, everyone? This is nothing but 1 by 4. Your answer will be 90 degree. Okay, angle subtended by B. Yeah, tell me fast. Is it right?
72.
72. You getting it, everyone? From where I have written
Yes.
this? Okay. Now what they will do, they can give you the data in a percentage, and they will ask you to find out the degree. Okay, they give you the data in a degree, and they might ask you to find out the percentage. You can make the transition from percentage to degree, degree to percentage. Is it simple? Okay. You can they also can ask you the questions like this. The total number of students they will give you, and they will ask you. Okay, total number of students they will give you. If the total number of students are 800, if the total number of students are 800, total number of students are 800. Okay, and these are the divisions in a school A, B, C, D, E. Then how many students are there in E? How many students are there in division D, E? Division E. Faster. Yeah, tell me guys, what is the answer? Yeah, it is 15%. Just find out 15% of 800. What you guys are doing? What is wrong with you guys? Are you listening to this? Are you guys listening to the Grooming. Yeah, this is the attendance, guys. Tell me who are present. Aditya,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maya,
माइक चालू कर मैं बोलूँ
Chaitanya. Chaitanya, you present? Namdev, Pooja, Pooja. Okay. Pranav,
Yes, sir.
Shahrukh. Shahrukh, you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shubham, you there?
Yes, sir.
Saurabh, you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tushar, you there?
Yes, sir.
Yogesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maya, Namdev.
Sir.
Maya, I called you for like 2 times.
No, sir.
Pooja, what no?
Yes, sir.
Where were you? What I asked, Pooja and Maya, what I just taught 5 minutes earlier. Maya and Pooja, can you unmute yourself?
Sir, network issue, sir. Disconnected.
No, you were in the session. That's it.
Yes, sir. A pie chart, sir.
Okay. Pie chart. Why? What I have asked? What was the previous question? Can you tell me?
Yeah, degree, sir. A, B, and
No. I have given something else. Okay, Pooja, tell me. Look, guys, I don't have any problem because at the end you are going to face the aptitude part. Okay. So if you are least interested in this, just tell us. We will be least worried because if you don't want a grooming, then we will not conduct it. Simple it is. Okay. I have just taken this part. If the total number of students they might give you, the total, okay, they give you, and from the number they will ask you the questions, just like this. If they give you something like this pie chart, they will give you. Okay, I'll show you one question, then you will get it. Pie chart दिया है. Okay, now understand here what they have given you. Okay, can you see the question, guys? Everybody, what they have given you here. The total energy used equivalent to the 600. Total energy used is equals to the 600 million dollar or something like that. They have given you. Wait. Hmm. Total, how much they give you? 600 million. Okay. Now, what is the question they are asking you here? The energy consumed for the other purposes is approximately what percentage of the total energy consumed for the other four major uses? Okay. Okay. Other purposes. What is the energy consumption? Other purposes. Tell me faster. Other purposes. What is the energy consumption? Can you see and tell me the numbers? At least 20.
20%.
Okay. And what is they are asking you? The energy consumed for the other purposes is approximately what percentage of the total energy consumed for other four major uses? Other four majors. Other four majors will have how much? Total अगर 360 है उसमें से other वाला part is 20, then the remaining part will be what? Remaining part will be what? 340. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Right? So, what will be the percentage? 20 compared to the 340. Your answer will be 1 by 17, or just substitute here 100 divided by 17. So, 17 ones are, 17 twos are. You can do it, right? Tell me what is the approximate percentage? 17 5 point it is something like it will be approximately equal to 6 because 17 6 का 102 होता है, right? So it will be approximately 6%. Understanding everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Getting this? Okay. What is the difference between the energy used for the domestic purposes and the other purposes in the country 1992? Okay. क्या बोला है? Domestic purposes and other purposes. So first we will find out what is the angle for domestic purposes and other purposes. Okay, no problem. We'll go for this. What is the domestic purpose? 45 degree.
45.
Okay, what is the other purpose?
20.
20.
Okay, domestic it is 45 degree, other it is 20 degree. Okay, so difference is 25 degree, but we have to find out how much this 25 degree is equivalent to. Yes or no? Yes or no? So total 360 degree are equivalent to how much? 600 million ton. Million ton. Okay. So 25 degree is equivalent to what? You have to do the cross multiplication. 25 into 600 divided by 360. Understanding everyone? This 0 gets cancelled. 6 and 6 your answer will be 250 divided by 6. So what is 250 divided by 6? 6 fours I guess. 6 fours are 24. 1 matlab 6 ones are, and it will be 0.66. So
41 point.
41.66. Understanding? We'll check is there any answer? Yeah, it is there. Yes or no? Option B is the right answer. Getting this?
Yes, sir.
हैव आई सॉल्व द होल थिंग? क्या मैंने यहाँ पे पहले डोमेस्टिक का परसेंट डोमेस्टिक का टोटल निकाला, फिर मैंने अदर्स का टोटल निकाला, फिर उससे डोमेस्टिक से अदर माइनस किया, ऐसे किया क्या? नो, आई जस्ट डन द कैलकुलेशन वंस ओनली हियर because first I done the calculation in the degrees itself and then I convert it to the total value. Understanding everyone the approach you are getting?
Yes, sir.
The difference between the fuel consumption of industry and transport in 1992 was equal to. देखो, that you have to solve now. What they have asking you, industry and transport. Industry and transport. Can you guys do it? Yeah, try it please. Industry and transport. How much it is? Yeah, go for it. Industry, it is 110 degree. Transport, it is 80 degree. Difference 30 degree. So total कितना आएगा? 30 divided by 360 into 600.
Fifty.
Understanding how to solve this question? Everybody getting this?
Yes, sir. 50 million.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now understand, guys. Uh, yeah, you can solve this question, guys. These are there. Okay. They might ask you some questions like this. The basic questions they will ask you, not the difficult question. Okay. You can easily solve this question. I'll be sharing this PPT. I'll be sharing this uh, link with you guys. Just go through those links. Understanding everyone. Without preparation, if you went, I'll tell you, you will be rejected in the first round itself. Okay. So instead of that, what I'll tell you guys, just go through the questions. Okay, what I'm sharing here. Here is our group. It's C2L, right?
Yes, sir.
And for reasoning, I'll be sharing this with you. Okay. Just go through this website, guys. This is very important for you. You can have the exact question from this website. Okay. If you find any kind of difficulty, just let me know. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. Any other doubt, guys? No? Sure? All prepared for aptitude?
Sir, what is the time today test after tomorrow test?
Tomorrow test, you will be having the mail, right?
Because of tomorrow is my offline interview sappers on the office.
You will receive the mail for the test.
Okay, sir.
It
Okay,
will be most probably on tomorrow, but if it is not scheduled tomorrow, then don't worry.
okay, sir.
The mail you only receive. Okay, then all the best, guys.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, you may leave the session now.